This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kits, continuing with Monet's Waterlily Pond Painting. In this kit, you'll receive a postcard with step-by-step instructions as well as all the supplies needed to create your own canvas painting. To begin, using a pencil, divide the canvas in half for your horizon line as well as draw your trees. Draw very lightly with your pencil to avoid poking holes into your canvas. Next, mixing your blue and white paint, paint the sky on the top half of the canvas. Avoid painting on the inside of the tree. Optionally, you can use the provided sponge brush to paint a darker blue line on the top of the canvas and a white line on the horizon to give a natural sky ombre effect. Taking a scrunched up piece of paper towel, dab a little bit of white paint to your sky to create clouds. Now mix together a darker shade of blue than your sky and a little bit of green to paint your pond. It is best to have a darker shade and a lighter shade of the pond color in order to create a ripple movement in your pond. Be sure to always wash and dry your brush when changing colors to avoid unwanted mixing. Using white paint, paint squiggles on your pond for ripples. Mixing green with the white paint and the brown and green paint, use upward strokes to create seagrass on the bottom of your canvas. Paint the trunk and branches of your tree with the brown paint. It is a nice touch to add some highlights and shadows to your trunk by painting white strokes on one side of your trunk. Mixing different shades of green, paint the leaves on your tree. Now it is time to add the bridge. Using the provided mini popsicle sticks and the glue, assemble your bridge. It is best to do this off the canvas and without glue first, to get an idea of how you would like it to look before committing to it on your canvas. Place the base down first, then the posts, then the top railing. Now taking the provided colored and white tissue paper, fold it into the shape of the water lily and glue them on your canvas. Take a little more of the green paint to paint the leaf beds for the water lilies to sit on. Your Monet-inspired water lily pond painting is now complete. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.